Okay, here we are, Sunday Standard. Rosie's up. To the teeter. Over the jump. Come on, there you go. Oh. Got called for that hesitation. I don't know. I think the judge could have maybe let that go. I don't know. Into the weaves. Good girl, Rosie. There you go. 54.87.